I'm gonna be seeing you in the next one, and I promise it's not gonna be 8 months later. The next video won't be, you won't be waiting 8 months. So thank you for watching. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday. Hey guys, how are you doing? Hey guys, how are you doing? Hey guys, how are you? Oh my god, I haven't filmed a YouTube video for a really long time. I'm really awkward. Today is February 28th, it's Wednesday, and right now it's currently 8 in the morning, and I woke up like very early today. So before I start this video, like I'm gonna tell you like what I did so far today. So I woke up 5 in the morning, and then I did Fajr prayer, and then after that, my dad apparently made nasi goreng, or like fried rice. The previous footage that you saw before, like it was me eating that fried rice. That was like around 6 in the morning, I think, or like 6:30, I don't really remember. But yeah, and then after that, I fell asleep until 10 in the morning, and right now, it's already 11 in the morning, and I've showered, I've changed my clothes. By the way, it's like really humid right now. It's rainy season. And if you wonder like why my bed in the position, so I'm currently in my bed, by the way. So my bed is not usually right here, but the thing is that the area where I usually put my bed is leaking. So that is the area where I usually put my bed. And you can see that the ceiling is getting darker because like, you know, it's leaking. And yeah, and it's like rainy season right now in Indonesia. It's like almost raining every day. And also the rain is not like a drizzling, but it's like pouring rain with a thunderstorm. Even like last week there's like a tornado, which is like almost impossible to be happening in Indonesia, but it happened. So yeah, I just want to tell you why that my bed is right here. But anyway, how are you? So today I'm just gonna be filming YouTube video and then filming like my activity, like what I usually do, like a typical day in my life. It's like really humid. I don't know if you can tell, but like I'm sweating right now. Also, I have long hair now, so it's like double homicide. You guys, while I was telling you about rainy season in Indonesia, while I'm filming, while I'm speaking right now, it's raining. It's like, can you see? So yeah, it's like what I said earlier, that this part of my room is now leaking, so that's the reasons why I put my bed in here. I really want to cover the leaks in the rooftop, but like it's been raining almost every day, and I feel like I have to wait maybe when it's not raining. So yeah, I haven't really fixed it, and also it's not easy. I don't really know how to fix like leaks. There's also not only one leaks in my room, but like, so this is one, and that is like, let's talk about my room, because like apparently there's a slight changes in my room from my like previous video. So I have a new furniture that I'm gonna be showing you later in my video, but it's like really cute. This furniture is like so pretty, so nice, like what I've always wanted. So yeah, I'm gonna stay in my room for a while now, and I'll cook some noodles maybe in 30 minutes or maybe in an hour. And the tennis court was covered out with something like pink. that I eat lots of ramen in my channel before, but mostly it was Indomie. So this is Thai ramen. This is Tom Yum ramen because my brother just got back from Thailand and he got this. And I've never tried any Thai ramen before because most of the ramen that's sold in Indonesia, it's either Japanese, Korean, or Indonesian ramen. So this will be my first time trying these. So let's try this. This is Tom Yum ramen.
Days seem sometimes as if they'll never end. The sun takes its heels to taunt you, but after sunlit days, one thing stays the same. Rises the moon. Days to a watercolor blob. Memories swim and haunt you, but look into the lake, shimmering like smoke. Rises the moon.
Gonna crack a rib and I got home. So this is so far the noodles without the broth because I'm still using the broth to boil the egg. Go around. Oh my god, it's so sour in a good way. So I ended up getting this much of rice. I don't know if I can finish this. So it's crucial to tie my hair up before I eat this because I don't want my hair to get into the broth and it's really hot. And for the taste, if you're Indonesian and you've tried Indomie Soto, I think they're pretty similar but also not exactly similar because they're both sour. And for the dessert, I'm gonna try this. Also, my brother got this from Thailand. Soft cake filled with durian paste. So let's try this. It really tastes like a real fruit. Not gonna lie. The paste, the durian paste, the cake is really soft. I mean, it's called soft cake for a reason. Very good.
How do I forget this? Act like nothing ever happened. I don't understand this. Feeling so unsure about it.
I think I don't even know how to speak. I'm tired. I'm gonna go taking a shower and then after that I'm probably gonna go watch some movies and then go to sleep.
I don't know who loves me, and I don't care 어차피 난 서로 따위 두고 빛나니까. Once I've sat in chocolate, and 나서 항상 같이 like saddest movies.
Okay, so what am I gonna watch tonight? I have this one Japanese drama that I've been wanting to watch. So yeah. So why would you hold it in her hand? Is that the way we stand? We're lying all the time. As I hear my cat's Ricky calling, I think she's hanging in the window. He's literally on the 3rd floor. What the hell did he? Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna end today's videos right now. It was fun filming today's video, but I feel like I didn't do anything productive, to be completely honest, for today. I mean, it was the reality of my days. I'm just being real with you. Like, I woke up and then sleeping, eating, and watching movies. But I hope that you guys still enjoyed today's video, even though I feel like my day was pretty boring, but I hope you still like it because I had fun filming it. Also, I forgot to tell you about the furniture. This is the new furniture that I got. It's like really cute. This mirror, are you kidding me? This vanity, like, and look at the texture. Oh, it's pretty dark, you can't really see it. But yeah, it's really complements the aesthetic of my room. Like, I'm really obsessed with it. It was my mom's though. My mom thrifted it, but I stole it from her because like it's really pretty and she's nice enough to give it to me. Yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching guys and see you on the next one. Bye bye.